Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 12, the sun. Chapter number 12, the sun. What are the learning points? See, we are going to learn about the sun. The sun. The sun is very large and very hot. The sun is very large. Large means very big. The sun is very big. The sun is very large means the sun is very big. It is many times bigger than our earth means it is many times bigger than our earth. The shape of the earth is round and the shape of the sun is also round, but it is many times bigger than the earth, but it looks smaller than a disk. See, this is the sun. So you can see the shape of the sun is round and this is bigger than our earth, but it looks smaller than a disk means it looks smaller than a disk. Why? Let us find out. An aeroplane carrying hundreds of persons looks very big. Now see here, you can see the picture of the aeroplane. How many people does an aeroplane carry? An aeroplane carry hundreds of persons. Looks very big. It is very bigger in size when it has landed on the ground. When we see the aeroplane on the ground, when it is landed on the ground, it is very big. But if we look at an aeroplane flying high up in the sky, means whenever we see the aeroplane in the sky, it looks much smaller. This you must have observed, that whenever we see the aeroplane flying up in the sky, it looks very smaller. Why? Now we will see why it looks smaller. It is so because the aeroplane flies at a great distance from us. You have observed that the aeroplane flies very high, and the distance between us and the aeroplane is that it flies at a very great distance from us. So we can see that the aeroplane looks very smaller. Release a few gas filled balloons. Now you know what are the gas filled balloons. You can find these gas balloons near a balloon man. They rise higher and higher. As they move higher and higher, they look smaller and smaller. This small activity you can do at your home. You can take a gas filled balloons, and if you leave the balloon, it goes higher and higher. As they move higher and higher, they look very smaller and smaller. Thus, the farther a thing is, the smaller it looks. Means that whatever thing you look farther, it looks smaller. The sun is very far away from us, so it looks small. Means the sun is very far away from us, so it looks very small in size. Now in winter, villagers sit in front of the fire. See, in front of the fire. See here in the picture you can see that all the villagers are sitting in front of the fire. When one sits near the fire, one feels warm. Means whenever you sit near the fire, you will feel very warm. Warm means hot. A person away from the fire feels less warm. Means see, in the picture you can see that they are sitting near the fire and they are sitting not far away, but near a smaller distance from the fire. They are feeling warmth and they are feeling very hot. The sun is very hot. We know that the mid-noon summer sun is very hot. Means near about 12 o'clock you will feel that the summer sun is very hot. The heat is unbearable. Means the heat is unbearable. We cannot bear the heat in the afternoon. The sun is very far away from us. The sun is, see in the picture you can see that the sun is very far away from us, but the person or the people they are standing, they cannot bear the heat coming from the sun. So here the lady is using umbrella and here the girl is using a towel. Why? Because of the heat they are unable to bear. Yet we cannot bear its heat. How hot is the sun? The sun is a very hot ball of fire. The sun is a very hot ball of fire. The night is dark and cool because there is no sun. At night we cannot feel hot. We do not feel hot because it is dark and cool. So why? Because there is no sun. Now I know the sun is very very large, means the sun is very very big. The farther a thing is, the smaller it looks. The sun is very hot ball of fire. Thank you.